Don Johnson has been delivering for FedEx for 13 years, and delivering in the snow, all a part of the gig.
First starting out, it was a little rough, knowing I have to be out in this cold all day, snow, wet, until the job's done.
But over the years,
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
she does it with a smile. She's now always ready for whatever Mother Nature throws her way, especially on a cold, wintry event like today.
I just layer a little bit. You wear the long johns pants, not too much, because you have to think too, you're in constant motion.
That constant motion keeps Johnson warm during her route. She delivered in downtown Fort Wayne this afternoon, and she says no matter where she goes, people always empathize with her when they see her dropping off their packages.
They have sympathy with us, tell us to be careful, not grumpy with us or anything.
But there's some advice she gives her customers so she and her other colleagues don't hurt themselves getting your package to you.
We appreciate the paths that are shoveled or a little bit of the sidewalk just to be able to get up to the door. And it makes it so much easier for us.